Hello everyone. Today I want to explain summary writing. A summary is rewriting an original text or passage in our own words. It is a clear version of the original work. Summary is usually written in one paragraph. It preserves only the essential or important ideas of the original passage. Maximum amount of information to a reader in minimum words. That means in short, okay, maximum amount of information to a reader in minimum words. That means summary writing. Okay, unseen passage, you read the unseen passage. After that you have to summarize that passage. That question number 4a, unseen passage, there are 5 questions. You have to write that all 5 questions, that 10 marks question. After that summary writing, 5 marks question. You read the same passage and you have to summarize that passage. Okay, now rules of making a summary or precise writing. Read carefully the unseen or non-textual passage twice or thrice. First you have to read carefully the unseen or non-textual passage twice or thrice to understand the central idea or theme of the passage. Then you will get central idea or theme of the passage after reading twice or thrice. Okay. After that, while reading unseen passage, underline the important ideas from the original passage. While reading that time only, you have to underline the important ideas from the passage. Avoid sentences in direct speech, exclamatory sentences and questions. Okay. Rules of making a summary. Next, outline. With the help of underlined ideas, draw the outline of your summary. Means make preparation, not draw the outline. Means that, okay, you make preparation with the help of underlined ideas. You already underlined ideas, no? Then draw the outline of your summary. That means make preparation. Then omission. Omit all unnecessary information or long phrases, adjectives and adverbs. Okay. Next, size. The length should be 1/3 of the original passage. Remember, the length should be 1/3 of the original passage. If original passage, so 1/3 part, okay, you have to write where? In summary writing. And indirect speech. If there is direct speech in the passage, it should be changed into indirect speech. Okay, listen again. If there is direct speech in the passage, it should be changed into indirect speech. Okay, direct, indirect speech, you see my videos. Okay. Next, tense and person. It should be written in the third person and past tense. In case of universal truth, the present tense should be maintained. Okay, in case of universal truth, that time the present tense should be maintained. Otherwise, it should be written in the third person and past tense. Third person, he, she, it, they, him, her, them, is, hers, theirs, that all third person. Okay. Next, own words. A summary should be written in your own words. Ensure that the facts and figures are correct. Okay, in your own words means you ensure that the facts, given facts and figures are correct. Okay, correctly you have to mention whatever in the passage. And in the summary, write all the ideas in one paragraph. Okay. Next, keep the language simple. The summary should be shorter than the original passage. 1/3 of the original passage. You remember that the summary should be shorter than the original passage, means 1/3 of the original passage. Prepare a summary in one paragraph in your own words and give it a suitable title. Summary can be expressed in his or her own words, covering all the important points. You remember that, okay, can be expressed his or her own words, covering all the important points. Okay, marking scheme. If suitable title, then 1 mark. Central idea or theme of that passage, then 2 marks for that. Use of appropriate language, 2 marks. Total 5 marks. Thank you.